3. In this video, I'll show you how to use Style Reference in Midjourney. First, open your web browser, go to the Midjourney website, and sign into your account. From the dashboard, start a new image generation. Next, upload or select the image you want to use as your style reference. This image will guide the artistic style of your new generation without copying its exact subject. Make sure you've chosen an image that matches the visual style you're looking for. Now, enter your text prompt describing the subject you want to create. Your prompt controls what appears in the image, while the style reference influences elements such as the colors, lighting, textures, and overall artistic look. After that, add the selected style reference to your prompt using the available style reference option or by attaching the reference image if you're using the web interface. If available, adjust the style weight or related settings to control how strongly Midjourney follows the reference style. Then click Generate. Finally, review the generated images and compare them with your style reference. If you want the result to look more or less like the reference, adjust the style settings or choose a different reference image, then generate another version until you're satisfied with the final result. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Style Reference in Midjourney. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.